Hello Kyle, this is the video just doing for you for the SS Commodore. Just going to do a bit of a walk around the car for you. We've traded the car through our new car department. It is very, very neat and tidy. Wheels and tyres and so forth are all excellent on the car. Front bumper bar is in very good nick. Wheels on that side. Very, very neat and tidy. It's been very well cared for. It has a very good service history. Interior of the car. It does have the walk-away start, so while you're outside the car you can lock it and start it up if you wanted to get your air conditioning going or anything like that. Seats are in very, very good condition. The engine has been modified slightly just for air intake and exhaust. It has a very, very good sound, which I'll show you in just a second, and it has all of the dyno stats for that, so it's been done professionally. Right, so obviously it's running now. You can see the exhaust has been done on it. And mate, let's face it, it wouldn't be a Commodore unless it made some pretty good noise. I'll send this through to you now.